This video will demonstrate tabs and text alignment in the word processor. One of the essential things about formatting text in any word processor is the ability to align text. Alignment determines the appearance and orientation of the edges of the paragraph. There are 4 types of text alignment available in any word processor. They are left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, and justified. Let us see one by one. A paragraph text is left aligned when it is aligned evenly along the left margin. Let's see how to do that in different ways. Select the text which you want to align with help of the mouse. Then go to menu bar. We are having many tabs there. Click Format, then select Align, and then choose Left. It can also be done by clicking the keys Ctrl plus L, or we can use this Align Left shortcut icon directly. Now let's see how to do right align text. As did earlier, select the text, go to menu bar, click Format tab, select Align and choose Right Now. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus R. It can be also done by clicking the Align Right shortcut icon. Now for center aligned text, select the text, go to menu bar, Format, Align, now choose Centered. The shortcut key for this operation is Ctrl plus E. You can see the text is aligned center now. Or you can use this icon, that is centered horizontally icon, to align the text center. A paragraph text is justified when it is aligned evenly along both the left as well as the right margins. For that, select the text or paragraph or even the whole page. Then click Format tab in the menu bar, go to Align, now select Justified. The shortcut key to justify the text is Ctrl plus J. Let me click Justified now. The text will be justified evenly. You can use this Justified shortcut icon to perform this action. Now let's see about the tab. Tab key in the keyboard helps to move the text to a particular distance towards the right. Now you just see where the cursor blinks. It is in the beginning of the paragraph. Now I am going to click tab once. Again, when it is clicked, it is still moving towards the right direction. To remove the tabbed space, just press backspace key in the keyboard. Now the backspace key is pressed. We can see the change now.